Are you ready for spring?
Hi friends, it is Miss Jess with the St. Joseph Public Library, and we're a little excited for the start of spring later this month. In celebration, we wanted to make a spring take and make kit for kids. So we have a free kit available starting Monday, March 1st, available at all 4 of our library branches for children of all ages. And included in the kit is a My Pet Butterfly craft where you can make your own tissue paper, cray paper butterfly. We also have a DIY upcycled analog clock where you can learn how to tell time using the minute and hour hands on this handy dandy upcycled CD clock, along with some other surprises and some activities relating to Eric Carle's The Very Hungry Caterpillar. So check out our YouTube channel for instructional videos and extended resources, and then stop by any one of our 4 branches to pick up your free kit starting tomorrow. So hope you have a great spring and a lovely rest of winter, and stop by or give us a call if you need any help from your library. Hope to see you soon. Bye.